Drone X Pro Limitless 4 GPS, 4K ultra high definition camera, drone for adults with Evo obstacle avoidance, 3-axis gimbal, auto return home, follow me, long flight time, long control range, 5G Wi-Fi, FPV live video, AIS superior stabilization with travel case. Hi, welcome my friend. GPS Auto Return Home Failsafe. Limitless is equipped with incredible RTH features, meaning drone automatically returns home in the following situations: critically low battery, loss of signal, or RTH button is pressed. This means you'll never lose your drone. Important. Like all GPS drones, you must ensure you're in the GPS mode before takeoff, mode 2. Obstacle avoidance allows you to fly with the peace of mind. The new obstacle avoider uses a laser to scan whether there are obstacles in the drone's flight path and avoids them with ease. Limitless now has an incredible 3-axis gimbal, which allows you to record cinematography like the pros by producing the smoothest video footage. Drone with long flight time. With the long-lasting 7.6 volt times 5000 milliamp hour high-capacity intelligent battery, you'll be able to explore for 30 minutes per battery. That's longer than most similar drones. Not only you can change the angle or tilt of the front camera wirelessly to get the best shots possible, but you can also switch to the drone's second camera, located on the bottom of the fuselage. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.